What's going on, everyone? My name is D. Anthony with Evolution Traders, and in this video, I want to talk to you about strategy versus trade plan. Now, two different things, but yet I think this terminology gets people confused. So people think because you have a strategy that's your trading plan. You have a trading plan, that's your strategy. You know, your strategy is mixed in with your trading plan. Your trading plan is mixed in with your strategy. It's two separate things, folks. Strategy is nothing more than edge. Your process. What are you looking for? What is going to determine whether you take a trade and where you put your stop loss? That's a strategy. Now, it doesn't matter if you're trading the 15-second time frame or you're trading the daily time frame. You're going to find setups on a day in and day out basis. Now, your strategy is going to work sometimes and it's going to lose sometimes. It's as simple as that. If there was one strategy that won 90%, 100%, even 80% of the time, every single day, 365 days a year, we would all be millionaires and billionaires. So what am I getting at? What am I trying to talk about? What I'm trying to talk about is, regardless of the strategy that you're playing, the levels that you're playing, the reasons why you're taking trades, what does your trading plan say to do on a day in and day out basis? Let's say you roll upon a day where your particular strategy is not working, right? I had a day today for about 2 hours where my strategy, my setups were not working. Every single trade seems like a fake out, seems like a failed move. So what does my trading plan say to do? If I'm down X amount of dollars, I stop trading on the day. Does that mean I look to another strategy? No. Does that mean I find another strategy and take different entries now? No. It means I stop trading on the day. How many of you guys would have been fired today for not following your trading plan? That's what I want you guys to think about. So think about this. Your trading plan should also say something like, if you're up X amount of dollars, think about pulling the plug or only risk half of that on your remaining trades. I'm up $500. I can only lose half of that, $250, and I have to stop trading on the day. As long as I don't lose half of my $500, I can continue to take trades as long as my strategy is still giving me opportunities to take trades. Does that make sense? So now that that's clear, let me ask the question. How many of you have a written down trading plan? I'm waiting for the answer. You can leave that answer in the comment below. Now, if you have a trading plan and you're still not profitable, the question remains, how well are you following your trading plan? Are you getting so confused and wrapped up in taking this entry, that entry, where you're just clicking buttons left and right and not understanding what's going on, and you're completely forgetting about your trading plan? Are you following your trading plan and your strategy is not working? How long have you actually done that? How long have you followed your trading plan? How long have you been taking the same setups in your strategy? Again, I'm willing to bet most of you guys have not even taken 20 of the same trades using the same strategy, following the same trade plan for 20 days in a row. I can guarantee you that. Most of you guys take an entry here, pick an entry here. My stop loss is this today. My contract size is that today. Let me go ahead and flip this. Let me double this. Let me do this, that, and the other. Let me go from the 5-minute time frame to the 1 minute, the 1 minute to the 15 to the daily. You're all over the place, and you're wondering why you're not finding any level of consistency. You're wondering why you're not finding any level of mental clarity. When you're bouncing around like this, it's like Tasmanian devil being locked up in a room. What do you think is going to happen? You're going to go from this wall to that wall, to this wall, that wall, that wall. So what I'm saying is, understand this, and this is all I want you guys to take away. Your strategy is different than your trading plan. Your strategy is just a process, an edge, giving you reasons to take trades and reasons to put stop losses at specific levels. Your trading plan is going to tell you how much risk, meaning how many contracts can you play on this particular strategy setup. Your trading plan is going to tell you if your strategy is not working today, because sometimes they don't work, every day's not perfect, then you need to stop trading and come back tomorrow. Now, if it's an issue of you have that trading plan and you have those rules and you're following a strategy and you're working the same system and you're not just listening to your strategy, that's a different problem, and we need to get to the root of that problem. If you have a trading plan that says stop out at $250 and you cannot stop out at $250 because you just feel like, no, I need to trade again because the market, is going to give me that next move. If I just wait a little bit longer, I'm going to get that next trade. You have an accountability issue and you need to be held accountable. Now, for whatever reason, because obviously in this trading business, you are your own boss. You can work as much as you want. You can work as little as you want. You don't have to answer to no one but yourself. So you are not actually holding yourself accountable. What would be best for you to do is either get a coach, a mentor, get into a community, get a trading buddy who's going to hold you accountable. Hell, if you're at home back in your local town, get a buddy that can come over. Hey, I just broke all my trading rules today. I went over my $250 stop loss. Can you come over here and pull the plug on my computer? Have them pull the plug, whatever it's going to take. You'll start to see that in the beginning, it's very, 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 very hard to follow the trading plan because you don't want to believe that your trading plan is failing. You don't want to believe that your strategy is not working. So instead of letting it go and accepting defeat this particular day, you try to magically fix it by taking another trade or finding another strategy or using a different process on the next trade, bumping up your size on the next trade, telling yourself, I know my trading plan says if I lose 250, I'm going to stop today, but let me just take one more trade. And if I lose, it's only going to be a $300 loss today versus a 250. What's the difference? No, you have to reward good behavior, not stupid behavior. Most of you guys are allowing yourself to break rules on a day in and day out basis on your trading plan, and yet you're still asking the question, why are you not successful? You are not successful, my friend, because you are not sticking to the plan, whether it's your ego, whether it's greed, whether it's, some persona that you want to put on to all your buddies that you're the best trader in the room is irrelevant, because what are you realistically putting in your pocket at the end of the month? You can tell everyone what you want to tell, but at the end of the day, you're still a phony. You're still a fake. So stop being a fake. Stop feeling bad for yourself. Stop, looking for reasons as to why it's just you. Everyone is looking at the same market, my friends. We're all looking at the same charts. There should be no reason why, if you're trading, why you're down 2,000 and everyone else is green today. There should be no reason why you're down 5,000 and everyone else was, up 10,000. There should be no reason why, you had a $500 day, but everyone else seemed to have taken a loss. Like something was wrong, right? If the market was going one particular direction and everyone was seeing the market the same way, everyone would kind of be doing the same thing. And your trading plan is going to depend on what is some of these questions that need to get answered. How much can you tolerate losing per trade? That needs to be in your trading plan. Where do you feel comfortable to stop trading on the day if you lose X amount of dollars? That needs to be in your trading plan. If your strategy is giving you 2 or 3 or 4 setups and they all failed, it's not working today, what does your trading plan say to do? Does it say to continue to trade, or does it say to come back tomorrow? Like, what does your trading plan say? If you don't have a trading plan, you've already lost. If you do have a trading plan and you're not following it, you have an accountability issue. You need to get with someone who can hold you accountable. And if you feel that you are following your trading plan to an absolute T and your strategy is not working and you're still losing, please send me an email, join Evolution Traders, come in Discord, say something. Let me see your trading plan. Let me see your strategy, and let me see why you're losing. Because I can guarantee you nobody is perfect and you break rules somewhere. But you have such a hard head and such a hard ego, you don't actually want to believe that you're doing anything wrong at all. There's a lot of those people out there. Trust me, you're wrong. Like, you're not going to say that you follow a trading plan to a T and a strategy to a T and you're still a losing trader. It's impossible. I'm not saying you're going to be a millionaire trader, but what I'm saying is you've got to be breaking a profit on a week by week, month by month, quarter by quarter basis. You have to. Like, it doesn't make any sense. There's obviously something wrong in your trading plan or your strategy if you're doing both correctly. Now, many of you may say that I have a trading plan, but how well do you actually stick to it? That's another thing. If you guys want to get, more into it, leave a comment. If you guys want to join Evolution Traders and try to see if we can figure this out, the link's down in the description box below. But the main thing is understand that strategy is different than trading plan. Your strategy is just the playbook. Like it's just actual execution of the plays. Your trading plan is the whole shebang. It's what's guiding your strategy. Like, you have to manage your trades and your strategy against what's in your trading plan. Like, If you have in your trading plan, if you take more than 3 losing trades in a day, can't trade, but you're only down $100, well, your trading plan says you lost 3 trades, you have to hang it up. That's obviously telling you your trading plan is protecting you, because maybe today, with today's price action, your strategy is not working today. That doesn't mean it's not going to work tomorrow. It doesn't mean that you need to go out and find a new strategy next week. It means that today it's not working. So why don't you just take your foot off the gas and come back tomorrow? That's why your trading plan is set. It's holding you accountable. Now, if you have a trading plan and, like I said, you're not holding yourself accountable, you have another issue of accountability, and you need to get with someone who can help you fix that, because if not, you're going to have a lot of trouble. And not only when someone tells you or someone tries to hold you accountable, but you have to do it for yourself. Okay. I can't make you stop trading. Okay. I really can't. I can help you. I can talk to you about it. We can try to clear your mind. We can try to make you become more self-aware in the now. But ultimately, this is going to come down to you. So if you need help, you need to seek the aid. You need to seek the help. You need to get the help from someone who can maybe explain it to you in this way and actually see what you're doing. But then ultimately, you need to be open to changing what you're doing that's not working. And many of you don't want to change what you're doing. You just want to look for different strategies. It's not the strategy that's going to make you profitable. It's how well you're following your trading plan that's going to make you profitable. 2 different things. Strategies are going to win, they're going to lose. How well do we manage our trading plan? That's what's going to protect us, and that's what's going to keep us in the game, and that's ultimately what's going to make us money. I hope that makes sense.